Today we are looking at American Modified. This is their Jeep Wrangler Grille. It comes with the weather stripping seal, as well as the little plastic pieces. So if you break your stocks, that's fine. We'll take a look at this, guys. All right, there we go. So this is what it looks like. Does come with wires. You will have to wire it up. So some people hook them up to their fog lights, so it turns on with your fog lights, and you can just splice in for that. But some people also hook it up to a separate switch. Okay guys, for the grill, I popped out all my old things first. So first you pop these out. Don't pop this out yet. You just pop the top little pieces out, and once you pop them out, then you pop these pieces out. Make sure it goes over top, so everything wants to go over top. And if you have problem aligning, the holes, what I do is start on this one first, this one second, and then for these, put a Phillips down and then kind of pull just a little bit, and then drop that one in, then drop that one in, and the others are good to go.